Okay, this time we like to rotate the pawns in an anti-clockwise direction. Sometimes it is called counterclockwise, and it is also about the origin by 90 degrees. Okay, anti-clockwise, it means it's just the opposite direction of the clock we usually see. Therefore, it means it rotates in this way, in this direction. Okay, and then we'll use the same pawns as in the previous video. Okay, 3, 5. Okay, but this time we move in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, and therefore we try to look at 3, 5. Okay, if it is rotated about the origin in this direction, okay, what will be the image? And then similarly, we can use a piece of transfer paper to help us locate the points. And then first, okay, let's plot the point 3, 5 here. Okay, maybe I use this part, and then copy the points and the axis, and we join the points of the origin directly with a straight line. Okay, this is the original y-axis, and then this is x-axis, and then this is the point. Okay, we would like to see its new position after the rotation. Okay, we join the point with the origin directly like that. Okay, and then anti-clockwise direction. Okay, it means we move in this way. Okay, by 90 degrees. Okay, as in the last time, we keep this point fixed. Okay, maybe I move a little bit here. I keep this point fixed, and then imagine, okay, it is rotated in this way. Okay, right, and then this line, okay, is originally the x-axis, and then after it is rotated by 90 degrees, it will come to this position. Okay, the y-axis. Okay, therefore in this case, okay, you can see that, okay, this is the new position, okay, of the points after the rotation. Therefore, if I rotate this point 3, 5, okay, in the anti-clockwise directions by 90 degrees, okay, the new coordinates are -5 and 3. Okay, right, then we try another example, but see whether you can find out the pattern. Okay, that's a pattern of the change. Okay, and then you can look at it carefully. Actually, if you look at the XY axis, they divide this plane into 4 regions. Okay, if you still remember, and then each region is called a quadrant. Okay, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. And then if you look at what we have got, okay, together with the results from last time, okay, if you look at the points, this point is in the first quadrant, and then after this rotation, okay, this point is in the fourth quadrant, and then for this one originally it is in the third quadrant. After the rotation, this is in the second. And then we look at this part. Okay, for the example that we just did, this point is in the first quadrant, and then after the rotation, it is in the image is in the second quadrant. And then you can try to think in this way, okay, instead of just focusing on the exact coordinates. Try to see whether there's a pattern, okay, in this kind of transformation in terms of the position of the points, in terms of where the points are, okay, in which quadrants are the points are. If we continue to look at this point, okay, we do one more example, okay, -4, -6, okay, and then I want to rotate it anti-clockwise about the origin by 90 degrees, okay, and then if I use the transfer paper, okay, then I copy the axis, okay, copy the points, okay, this is the point, okay, and then if I rotate it anti-clockwise, then you can see that it moves in this way, and then this is the new position, and then the coordinates for this image, okay, if I look at here, it should be 6, -4. Okay, and then in terms of the quadrants, originally, okay, the point is here, okay, the point is in the third quadrant. After the rotation, okay, now it is in the fourth. Okay, see whether you can get the pattern. If you can get the pattern, then you will find that next time you don't need any graph, you don't need any graph paper, you don't need any transfer paper.